Welcome to MST School of Trading. Very good evening, traders. So today I will show you what is night market and what is the difference between 2.0 and 3.0. I will show you with crude oil. It is still currently running. So I just now I recorded a video in Tamil had I explained you about the psychology of trading and mindset, which I already posted in English language. So now let me show you what happened in the morning. So this is with respect to default settings. So I'm coming here and making two default settings. So if you are trading with default settings, that also will give you a very good profit. And if you are trading with the other settings also, that also will give you very good profit. So now what happened in the morning, we all know once market opened, so we have to trade whichever side first gets activated, that side we have to trade. See here, one thing I want to show you. I'll keep it in 1 minute for better result. I mean, no, for better visibility. See here, this is our monthly buy zone. The monthly buy zone, the buy entry was at 8196. Okay, and the SL was 8177. The low made 8180. So our SL was safe by 3 points. So from 8196, the high made was 8695. So how many points we have got? Just simply calculate this with the calculator. The high made was 8695 minus 8196. So we have got 499 points, which is equivalent to 49,900 rupees for one lot. If you ask me, is it possible to book the entire points? No, it is not 100% possible. It is not the human psychology at all, right? But at least if you book 10% of this, that is 49 points, which is equivalent to 4,900 rupees, it is a very good profit. You cannot book the entire points, right? And if you use this method, we have another calculation, that is other calculation. For monthly reversal and all, you can use this. So here the low made was 8180, but we couldn't get the entry. So now I'm again giving reset settings. So as per first buy, first sell, what happened? Let us see. I will move the screen here, 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 here. Yeah, here only market started. So once market opened, we have to wait to market either to reach this level first or this level first. If sell activated, there is no buy until the SL hit. If buy activated, there is no sell until the SL hit. So here what happened? Exactly at 11:27, our buy entry got activated. Once buy activated, what you have to do? Come here and enable the first buy targets. So the entry target was 8280 and the high made was 8272. So 8 points we missed it. So I'm showing in 1 minute time frame. But if we see in a seconds time frame, maybe target would have achieved. But as per 1 minute time frame, it is not achieved. So immediately SL hit. We know if SL hit, we should not cry. We should go for the reversal entry. So the reversal entry starts at 8242. So now I will enable second cell target also. So I'm enabling second cell targets. You see second cell target was 8224 and the low made was 8223. Exactly our target hit. So we recovered the loss and we have booked the profit. 1 second buy activated, 2 targets hit. 1 second buy activated, all the targets hit, and it's still going up, 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 up only. right? So this is how we have to trade. So if you are a small trader, take one lot. If you sell it, go for the reversal entry and book the profit and exit from the market. That's all, no more trade for you. So most of the people, one customer had called me and told me that, sir, you are giving new indicator for every 3 months. No, it is 100% a false, no, false accusation. We are not changing the indicator. We are following a single indicator forever. Then what is the difference between 2.0 and 3.0? So now I'm keeping this with the default settings in 3.0. You see the level 68430 is the sell entry and 8261 is the buy entry. Now come to 2.0. Give here reset settings and you see the level. Again 8430 is the sell entry, 8261 is the buy entry. Now I will disable the 3.0. See here, same levels we are getting. Even for target also I show you. Target. First buy target 8280. Yes, same. Second sell targets I show you. It should be 8224. Yes, same. See here 2.0 and 3.0 is 100% ditto. There is no change in the basic thing. So the basic thing is same. But what is the difference? If you see in the 2.0, here you see there is a separate SL. Okay, separate SL for all the 4 entries. If you see in 3.0, there is no separate SL. Why? Because we know for first buy, second sell is the SL. For first sell, second buy is the SL. For second buy, first sell is the SL. And for second sell, first buy is the SL. And that we have given here separately. Okay, here also we have given. If you don't know, this also you can keep. So the 3.0 is for the people who have some knowledge, who can understand. Okay, and we have, instead of giving separate SL, we have given four central pivot point. So in which we have given various options. Extra targets also we have given, like target 4, target 5, target 6, target 7. And manual drawing also we have given in the 3.0. 2.0 also we have given the manual drawing as well as these extra features, extra targets we have given. And what is the important change in 3.0 is we have given one option called volume candle. See here, you can see here volume candle. The strength, the candle strength you can see based on the volume. If more people are there for buying, so it will show you it is a strong buy candle, bullish candle. More people are to sell, then it will show you it is a strong bearish candle. So this way you can identify. This is the one option we have given. And importantly, the main change is we have given a select market type. So in 2.0, you will have only one trade per day. Okay, there is default one, that is a morning one. Whereas in 3.0, you will get these many options, like noon trade you will get, evening trade you will get, night trade you will get, and NSC tomorrow. For tomorrow market, you can get the levels today itself. MCX also for tomorrow market, you can get the level today itself. And Forex. Forex is for Forex as well as for the foreign markets like US oil, gold, US gold. huh? So all the commodities are traded globally. So for global market, you can use Forex. Up to this, we have tested, we have found a very good result. And then below their points, below late morning, late noon, late evening, late night, and yet to we have to get the consistency. We are testing. So that is why we have given the in the later part. So if you are a trader who can trade only in the morning, you can trade noon session, you can trade evening session. Only if you can trade after 8 o'clock, 9 o'clock, you can take night or late night also. So it depends on the people availability. But here also the conditions apply. If you are trading in morning session, daily how to trade in morning session also. If you are trading noon session, daily how to trade in noon session also. Today if you are trading noon, tomorrow if you are trading morning, day after tomorrow if you are trading late noon, then you will not get the consistency. Okay, so you have to keep following the same session of trading so that you will get the consistency. So hope it is clear, right? To 2.0 over. Now 3.0 I show you with the evening entry, night entry. So night entry, what happened? Why I am showing this night entry? Because I have shared this in the group. So that is why I am sharing the night entry here. So in night entry, what happened? First buy activated here and all the targets have been achieved. So once buy activated, what you have to do? Enable the first buy targets. See here, all the targets perfectly achieved and market has reversed. Once again buy activated, targets hit. Once again buy activated, but sell hit. Second sell activated, targets, two targets hit. Again it went sell activated, all the targets achieved. So now in monthly buy zone, buy activated. In monthly buy zone, buy activated and see how much profit you have got. This is the monthly zone. So morning also we got 8296 buy entry, we got 499 points in the monthly zone. So here also 8447. Okay, 8447 we got the buy entry. So from 8447 minus what is the high made? 8621. 8621. So 174 points we have got. So 174 plus 499, 673 points we have got the profit. So how many points we have got? 673 points, which is equal to 67300. 67,300 rupees profit we have got in a single lot. Is it possible to book the entire points? No, 100% not. But even if you are just trialing a stop loss, you could have booked some 10%. I'm not saying even 50% points. 10% means you will get 6,700 rupees minimum. 6,700 rupees in a day profit is very good profit in a single script. Okay, so that is what for all kinds of people we have given the options. So people are asking, give us 1 month trial. No, we are not be able to give the 1 month trial. If you want, go for lifetime validity. If you want monthly validity, then you have to pay for lifetime. If you pay 1 month, next month, if you want to go for lifetime, that conversion is not possible. So every month you have to pay 5,000 rupees because we have to pay for the trading. So if you want to save your money, go for lifetime validity and pay only once in your lifetime. So you can use it, your family members can use it, your son, your grandson, okay, all your family members can use it at the same time. So it will be an asset for you. It will not be an expense for you, it will be an asset for you. So think over it, practice it, and see to that this is for an educational purpose. This is the educational tool we are offering you. Whether you are applying in real market or not applying or making profit, not profit, we are not responsible for the profit. But if you follow with discipline, it will not give you loss because we have tested it, we have been using it, we have been trading it. See the accuracy, it is in front of you. Okay, so thank you all for watching our video. If you have not subscribed to our indicator and YouTube and Telegram channel, please subscribe to indicator, YouTube as well as Telegram free group. Thank you all for watching our video. Bye bye. Wish you all a happy profitable days ahead.